10 amazing facts about the human brain. Number 1. The human brain has approximately 86 billion neurons, forming trillions of connections, making it one of the most intricate and complex organs in the body. Number 2. Despite representing only about 2% of an individual's total body weight, the brain consumes about 20% of the body's energy, highlighting its high metabolic demand. Number 3. Neuroplasticity allows the brain to adapt and reorganize itself throughout life, enabling learning, memory formation, and recovery from injuries or trauma. Number 4. The brain generates about 20 watts of electrical power, enough to power a dim light bulb, showcasing its remarkable energy efficiency. Number 5. The speed of information processing in the brain is incredibly fast, with neurons firing at speeds of up to 120 meters per second. Number 6. Your brain is more active at night than during the day, and dreams mostly occur during the rapid eye movement (REM) stage of sleep. Number 7. The brain's storage capacity is virtually limitless, and it is estimated to be equivalent to a digital library of 2.5 petabytes, roughly 3 million hours of TV shows. Number 8. The human brain is composed of about 75% water, emphasizing the importance of staying hydrated for optimal cognitive function. Number 9. A typical brain has about 100,000 miles of blood vessels, ensuring a constant supply of oxygen and nutrients to support its functions. Number 10. Your brain continues to develop and mature well into your 20s, and certain cognitive abilities, such as decision-making and impulse control, may not fully develop until then.